Welcome to my kitchen table. This is a dress I pulled out to work on next, and I thought I would attempt to videotape the repair process. This dress doesn't need too much. There's some tearing at the shoulders and the underarms, pretty typical for a dress of this age. The flowers have been pinned on, and that will need some reinforcement also. Other than that, it's in pretty good shape. The problem with videotaping the repairs is every repair is different. You never know what a dress is going to need or how it's going to turn out. Honestly, it feels like I don't know what I'm doing, because until I actually attempt something, I don't know if it'll work. I've been known to completely take apart a finished repair because I don't like it. So this videotaping will be interesting. We'll see how it goes. I thought I'd tell you some of the tools that I use. First of all, strong glasses are always recommended. I use netting or tulle. This comes in different weights and different colors. Very good for stabilizing underneath tears. I also use a hock on occasion. I call this a hock because I think of a ham hock, but it's a ham. I think it's a ham. And especially for ragged tears, it's good to bring the tears together and you can pin it and sew it right in place and it won't get away from you. Same with an embroidery hoop, especially if you're having different layers. You can layer everything together, put it in an embroidery hoop, and it doesn't shift on you, and you can just work from the front and you don't have to go up and down, up and down. Saves a lot of frustration and time. Another thing that I should mention this too, you might also, for the bigger tears that aren't, where you don't have the fabric left anymore, you might want some backing fabric. Obviously, I don't have the right color. I have about 3 pink silks, but nothing the right shade. So this dress has a nice wide hem that doesn't show, so we can take the fabric from there and back it up, and so it won't be so noticeable, I think. Next is needles. You need a nice fine needle that's sharp, that won't distress the fabric when you start poking it. And my favorite, I have this thread, Wonderfill Invisifill thread. It's super fine thread. It's 100 weight thread. Most sewing machine threads are 50 weight, so the higher the number, the finer the thread, so it's quite fine. Makes you a better seamstress than you are. Makes you look like you know what you're doing. Okay, so that's all the equipment that I'll be using. Let's get right into the repair.